Meditation can assist you in learning new techniques for dealing with stress, as well as acting as a guide for relaxing after a stressful event. Everyone, at some point in their lives, will be subjected to stress, and there is no way to completely avoid it. The world is spinning at breakneck speed, heaping more and more responsibilities on our shoulders every minute of every day. We have to deal with workplace stress, health concerns, and the stresses of everyday life at home. Learn to meditate on a daily basis to reduce your chances of having to take medication to maintain your good health. Some changes in your daily routine will be necessary as you develop new meditation skills. You'll need to do some research before you can learn how to thrive under pressure and make your life easier overall. Please make a list of what is bothering you and how you are modifying your environment to alleviate the problem. Writing down your stresses and the actions you plan to take will allow you to get them out into the open and appear more alive as a result. Meditation methods can assist you in making better decisions if you study them and put them into practice. Meditation will assist you in relaxing and concentrating so that you can deal with stress more effectively. The repetition of your list and decisions will train your brain to think in a positive manner by preventing negative thoughts from entering your consciousness. If you're worried about meeting a deadline, concentrate on what needs to be done to make things run more smoothly. Meeting deadlines can be a terrifying prospect and things aren't going as planned. Acquire the skill of concentration and make an effort to forget about other tasks that must be completed tomorrow or the following day. When you are concentrating on a single task, you will be utilizing your meditation abilities. Through meditation, which allows you to relax and sleep better, you will be able to make better decisions in the future. Rest is necessary for us to be able to make informed decisions. It is nearly impossible to achieve success if one does not have enough energy. After a long, stressful day, relaxing in the bathtub with a good book is a wonderful way to unwind. Get a bunch of candles and scatter them around the area where your tub is located. Turn on the boom box and put on some low, calming music to help you relax. Light the candle and turn off the lights before entering the room for some rest and relaxation. Make use of your imagination while you're in the tub and imagine yourself somewhere far away, such as in Neverland. Allow yourself to feel the breeze and hear the birds to relieve stress by using your meditation abilities and imagination. Treat yourself to some self-pampering after you get out of the tub, including applying lotion and giving your nails a manicure. If you take some time to meditate and pamper yourself, you'll fall asleep like a baby every night. Because you had a restful night's sleep, getting out of bed the next morning will be a piece of cake. You'll be eager to get started on a new day and will make better decisions when dealing with stress. Learn to thrive in stressful situations and be successful before they take over your life. Giving stress complete control will sap your energy and cause you to become ill with poor health. Stress is a contributing factor to a wide range of ailments, including high blood pressure, heart attacks, strokes, and depression. By learning meditation techniques, you can learn to thrive under pressure and become happier and healthier. You can benefit from the guidance of a stress management guide in order to better manage your life. Do not forget to like and subscribe.